Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to start the Cuisinart Coffee Center coffee maker, and this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to start this machine right here, this is the video for you. I'll be showing you and telling you exactly how to do it, really easy. So first and foremost, I'm going to assume that you know this, but I'll say it anyways. Make sure you plug the machine in, so make sure it has power to it, and you can tell that it's plugged in because you can see sort of, you know, some of the screen has been illuminated. This might be dark, but some of it has been illuminated, okay? There might be some numbers showing, but some of it will be showing, something will be showing in an illuminated manner on the screen. So make sure it's plugged in, make sure there's power going to the machine, make sure it's working properly, okay? Once you've done that, you're gonna wanna make sure that you have placed in the coffee pod, okay, or the grinds, depending on what you wanna brew, depending on what you wanna what coffee you wanna make. So you're gonna wanna put in your coffee pod on this side, or your grinds and your filter and so forth on this side, your coffee grinds and your coffee filter on this side, okay? So make sure you have the correct coffee in place where it goes correctly in the machine. Also, make sure you have the correct amount of water that you need. Whether it's water in the reservoir for the pod over here, or whether it's water in the reservoir over here. So there's like a tank back here for the pod, and then there's a reservoir over here for if you're brewing like drip coffee into the carafe. So make sure you have the water there. So basically, before you start the machine, make sure it is plugged in, it's working properly, it's got power going to it, it's on, and so on and so forth. And then also, in addition to making sure that it's ready to work properly, make sure you have the coffee in wherever it goes and the water in wherever it goes as well. Once you have those things in place, you are ready to go. So basically, if you're going to be brewing a pod, you need a cup over here. And if you're going to be brewing, drip coffee, you need your carafe over here. Okay? So yeah, once you have all those things, you're ready to go. So how to start the machine is really easy. You take the knob and you want to turn it to the brew option. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it. You can see it's on auto off, and we're going to turn it over here, brew. We are now on the brew option. So that's how we're going to get ready to start it. Now, all that you have to do is choose the type of coffee that you want to brew, and then push the brew button. So basically, you can choose a pod if you want to brew a pod. So you can do that by pressing pod. Very simple. I think because I didn't load one in, so I'm going to open it up. There's actually a pod in there from before. This is a used pod. I brewed this a few hours ago. But anyways, I'm going to leave that right there. I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to choose pod. So now it thinks there's a new pod in there, right? And you can press it again to choose how many ounces you want. So you can see 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10 ounces. Let's pretend we're going to go with 12 ounces, okay? So basically, once you've chosen the number of ounces, you're going to press the brew button over there, and it's going to brew the pod. It's going to brew coffee from the pod side. And it sort of canceled itself over there. On the other hand, if you wanted to brew a carafe, or drip coffee, you would press carafe over here, and then once you have carafe highlighted, you press the brew button right over there. So I press that brew button right over there, and it would brew the carafe. Really simple. There are a couple of other things you can do, like you can also do bold coffee by pressing bold, and then carafe, and then you would press brew. That's another option. And there's other things that you can do, but that's basically the gist or the most simplistic version of how to start this machine in terms of brewing coffee. Yeah, that's it. I mean, starting the machine can be viewed as like turning it on and stuff. But when I think of starting the machine, if you're looking up how to start this coffee machine, I'm thinking that you're talking in terms of starting it in terms of like starting the coffee brewing process, starting the brewing process. But yeah, that's basically how to do it. Really easy. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.